So in this video we're going to discuss about the IQOO 15. Yes, IQOO 15. You might be wondering where is the IQOO 14 gone. So the similar to the OnePlus, the Chinese doesn't like the 14 and they feel that 14 is a bad unlucky number. So the same applies to the IQOO also. So in this video we're going to discuss about the IQOO 15 features, everything till the price. Starting with the display, this mobile comes with a 6.89 inches of OLED display, and it is going to be a 165 Hz refresh display, and it is going to comes with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3, the third generation of Victus glass protection, and it is also coming with the HDR10 plus head port and the anti-reflection finish which the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has. When we talk about this mobile's processor, it is confirmed that this mobile is coming with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. So it is going to be a complete different architectured processor that this comes with the 6+2, 6 efficient and 2 performance core processors. It is a 5G processor. This mobile supports up to 17 5G bands. And this mobile is going to comes in 2 different variants till now. The news till now that this mobile will comes with a 12GB RAM, 256GB internal storage, and 12GB RAM, 512GB of internal storage variants. Now these are going to be UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X Ultra type RAMs. So we can expect a killer performance from this mobile. And when we talk about this mobile's camera, it is going to be a blow up in the camera section compared to the previous model. This mobile is coming with a triple rear cameras where you can find a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera, 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle, and also a 50 megapixels of telephoto zoom camera which can be used to zoom up to 100x the digital zoom. And front also, this mobile comes with a 50 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. Yes. And when we talk about this mobile's battery, yeah, this is also another biggest thing in this mobile, that this mobile is coming with 7000 milliampere of battery. Yes, it's a huge battery size, and it supports 100 watts of fast charge through wire. Now there is no wireless or reverse wireless charging. The cost cutting comes there. And this mobile also supports comes with a USB Type-C Gen 3.2, so we can connect Elgato for the streaming of games and everything. When we talk about this mobile's build quality, it will be till the news now it comes in one color, that is the volcanic type of finish, and it is a complete metal and glass build. When we talk about this mobile's security, this mobile is coming with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, the latest generation one, and it is going to come with the face unlock ID obviously. And when we talk about this mobile's physical overview, this mobile comes with the stereo speakers, no 3.5mm jack, and those are the features of this mobile for the physical overview. And also one more thing, that this mobile is coming with the IP68 water and dust resistant, IP16 the splash resistant also. And when we talk about this mobile's colors, this mobile is available in different colors. I will leave a link to check the colors after the release of this mobile. When we talk about the release, this mobile is releasing in this month, the October month in China. Probably they might release it by the end of November or by the start of first or second weeks of the December this year. So we can expect this mobile in between 50 to 60. I thought because the use of this latest 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, this price can go up to 60,000 rupees like that. And when we talk about the box contents, this mobile comes with a charger, cable, TPU case, and also symmetry tool and everything included in the box of this mobile. And when we talk about this mobile's connectivity, this mobile comes with the Wi-Fi 7 tri-band support, Bluetooth 5.4 and NFC. And what's the biggest thing in this from this IQOO variant mobile is that the IQOO is bringing the Fun Touch, bringing the Origin OS 6 with this variant instead of the Fun Touch OS and the IQOO OS which I am using in my IQOO 3, the first generation mobile of IQOO. From this variant, IQOO is releasing his every mobile with Origin OS 6. The only thing which is lacking in IQOO mobiles, even if you purchase the Vivo X200 Pro, like 1 lakh priced mobiles also, the one thing is lacking in them is, apart from the everything, the OS. it comes with a lot of bloatware and it not feel that much, flagshipy like kind of. So with this Origin OS, iQOO is planning to remove all those hurdles, and with this Origin OS we can expect a fluid performance from this mobile and a lot of customization like the Samsung Galaxy S2, the One UI 8. And also one more thing, that this mobile is coming with a Qualcomm supercomputing Q3 chip, which enhances frame rate in gamings a bit. And also this model doesn't come with any Dolby Vision support. That is also a cost cutting. So these are the features of this mobile. And also this mobile, yeah, that's all about the video. And hit the like button and also the subscribe button. That's the important thing.